Friends, welcome to Mission Green Delhi. Do subscribe to our channel for more video updates. If you like the video, do share it, like it. Thank you so much. Plastic waste was a challenge and is a challenge. In addition to plastic waste, tons of COVID-19 waste has also become a challenge for us now. It's important to understand what kind of mask we are wearing, since this is going to impact the health of people and our environment in the next 10 to 20 years. If masks are not biodegradable and are made up of material that contains plastic polymers, it will take hundreds of years for them to decompose. Most of the single-use masks are made from non-woven plastic, which might contain plastics like polypropylene. Such masks are used on daily basis and thrown away by people, ending up polluting our environment and affecting the health of sanitation workers and garbage collectors. Subsequently, this discarded material reaches oceans, rivers, and into the soil, affecting the marine life, wildlife, and human life. At homes with COVID suspects or patients, we need to properly wrap masks, put them in a closed bin or yellow bag for at least 72 hours, and hand over them to the garbage collector with proper care and information. While selecting masks, we should consider the environmental impact of them, since each one of us uses them every day, either for our safety or if we are infected or quarantined due to the coronavirus. Also, while disposing of them, proper guidelines should be followed so that they should not reach landfills. Instead, should be sterilized properly and burned or buried in the ground or given to the garbage pickers after following the safety guidelines. Proper disposal of PPPs, masks, and gloves need to be done while attending public gatherings, hospitals, COVID centers, and crematoriums. Along with a focus on sanitation and hygiene, biomedical waste management should also be considered, because the final objective is to control transmission. To create more awareness on how to manage the COVID biomedical waste in our homes or organizations, we can regularly check the Delhi Pollution Committee website. It gives complete information on biomedical waste treatment facilities available in Delhi. There are 2 operators right now in Delhi. The government has also launched COVID-19 biomedical waste tracking app, which could be downloaded from Google Play Store and used as per instructions given in their manual. You can also share your experiences and ideas on biomedical waste management on MGD community platform, the beta version we have launched recently. Alternatives are always there, and cloth fabric masks or bioplastic masks made from vegetable fats or oils, cornstarch, straws, wood chips, sawdust, recycled food waste could be experimented or manufactured. Thank you so much.